Good girl, Aspen. Good girl. Look at Hudson. He watches everything that ball does.
Mason! Mason bit her. Mason bit her.
I think him like a brain back
Don't throw his car next time.
I got your pretend like your brain.
Joshua, give me your belt.
Okay, ready? Okay, give her the belt first. You don't get it all yucky with the grass.
The bottom of his pants already are.
Someone needs to fix those. So